How to be. How to get a woman to fall in love with you. Take the pressure off of yourself. No doubt about it, the biggest reason men have trouble with the figuring out how to make a woman love them is that they're so tense, nervous, or even scared. It's simply because they feel like there is so much at stake. Most guys are worried that they're going to embarrass themselves, or are certain that, if they do blow it, they're doomed to never have a chance with a great woman again. That's why it's important to change your perspective and look at every first meeting with a woman as one of many to come, and act accordingly. Love yourself. This is very important. Do you truly love yourself? If you don't think you're awesome, how can you convince the world and all the beautiful girls in it that you're an awesome guy? Fall in love with yourself and respect yourself, and the world will see you the same way too. Open your ears. Girls like a man that's going to listen to their problems, and when you open your ears and let them talk, you are one step up on any other guy in pursuit. Make sure you don't push her to make a decision. She just wants you to listen so she can work it out. Of course, if she asks for your advice, you should give it. Just make sure you aren't pushing too hard with it, or she'll close the door fast. Compliment her. Though it might seem trite and insincere to dish out compliments left and right, your words can be powerful. While sure, you should take note of her physical appearance, since a lot of women put a lot of effort into looking nice for their date. But also, offer flattering remarks as you get to know her, including her brilliance and her humor, her presence, and more. When she feels like you're taking the effort to get to know her and taking note of her qualities, she'll feel comfortable being herself around you. Let her see that you have a life. Keep yourself busy and involve yourself in different activities. Go on out there and enjoy the world, be it by trekking over the weekend, joining a few fun clubs, or even doing something new with your friends. The more interesting you and your conversations are, the more odd by you she'll be. Support her royally. Think of this like you might a cheerleader. You need to show her you will be there to encourage her on and support her in her daily battles. This doesn't mean you have to agree with everything she does and says. That would make you a pushover puppet. However, you should show her you appreciate and respect her for her life choices. That's just plain magical in the dating game. Don't be too serious. Falling in love is about connecting on deeper levels and having important conversations and shared values. But it's also about having fun when you're together. If you can't put your guard down, make jokes, try goofy activities together, and release stress, then she won't feel comfortable around you. After all, there's something empowering about knowing your partner is equally as weird and ridiculous as you are. Look great. Looks aren't every girl's biggest priority, but it'll definitely be a perk if you can look really fit and healthy. Work out, look healthy, dress well, and smell great. You'll make a much better first impression with every girl you meet. Don't tell her you love her. This is a big mistake, at least if you say it before she shows signs of liking you. Always leave her wondering what's on your mind, even if you're flirting with her. The curiosity will make her want you already. Go out on a date or two before you even think of telling her that you like her. Thanks for watching. Our channel is created and developed by a small team of enthusiasts. If we helped you and you want to support us, click on the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. See you soon.